Okay. Hello. I was asked to do a bug report for A-EON XDOCK, and I can't get any Grim Reapers from this program, but it isn't working as it should be. So therefore, I decided to make a record a video which shows the problem. This might not be interesting for many people that don't experience problems with the program, or it might not represent uh, the program in its entirety, but you can also think about this program in this video as a small review of XDoc. So to be truthful, I haven't used this program a lot, and I have very little experience with it. I have no idea where where the program stores its configurations or anything, so I have to also figure out something about this. I will try to delete the configurations and start over and see what happens with that, or if I have to reinstall it, or yeah. So let's just try to start XDoc. I will start the Snoopy program, which will log the problems and also show which files that XDoc is using. So now the program is started, and we have an information about which programs it tries to access. I think this should be what is needed. There seems to be an XML file which is stored in env in A-EON, so maybe this is something I can fix in that XML file. Okay, well, that's a good thing. XML files are great for because they can be edited. If files, on the other hand, which normal Amiga programs use, are not great at all. Those can't be edited, so I'm pleased to see that you're using XML files. Those can also easily grow with the time when a program improves, so that's a plus in my book. Now let's just save this. Okay, so I'll just save it on RAM disk and make a backup of it. System there. So what is my problem? Why don't I like XDoc? First of all, let's go in here and find something to add to the menu. Let's try this one. So I can drag it over here. Should just add it to the menu. Oh, I started something else instead. Okay, so it added this. Let's try something else. Let's try Blender. Okay. See this window. This is not very complete. You shouldn't print things to the console when you add or drag and drop stuff. This is a little bit unfinished, I think. Let's try drag more in here. More in here. Let's see how many things you can drag in here. Last time I tried this program crashed, so I'm trying to see if I can get it to just crash by doing that. Maybe if I try some folders, I can Maybe we can drag all those folders. Let's just give it some stuff to work on. Okay, now it starts to get interesting, I think, because as you can see, it can't really display it in 2 rows, so it has no space to grow, but it adds stuff to the that's one thing. That's not a major issue. That's not. But the major issue is that. Okay, so I want to remove some of these. How do I remove them? Well, there should be a menu here somewhere. I can't. Every time I click right mouse button, I don't see any menu. I see I can see there's tries to do something because you get blank out the title here on the top, but I don't get any menu. So there's something not right here. Something not right. I guess this is our main problems with the XDOCK is 1, this text stuff shouldn't pop up here, and 2, there should be a menu, and if I reboot, what do you guys think is going to happen? Do you think I'm going to keep those things I dragged here, or will they disappear? Let's just reboot. And we are back at the desktop. Let's see. We start XDock, and all the icons I dragged into XDock is gone. So I can't add any new programs because it doesn't save when we drag icons into the XDock. So really, there's text output when we drag stuff in. It doesn't save when we drag it in. Their menus are not working. It doesn't know how to deal with, let's say, if you have too many icons in the dock. It doesn't know how to put them in columns. So that's the problems we have with XDock. So I kept this error, this log, which tells me where it is. Snoopy log. It's in System, Utilities, XDock. Apparently. And like an XML file or something. Okay, not there. It's in let's see. So xdocs2 XML is missing in the archive directory. We don't have any name in that. We have xdoc01. Failed, OK. I shouldn't really have to look for preferences and try to find the prefs. Okay, so this is the first XML file it tries to open, which is managed to open with the env handler. Okay, this is the prefs files, and okay. Okay, so there's a debug option here. Maybe we should enable debug just to see if this helps anything. Let's change that to true. Okay, dock vertical. I would like to change that to maybe horizontal, but maybe I shouldn't mess too much with the configuration file. Maybe see if we can stop XDOCK by double clicking. Some programs can stop the program if you click it twice. This is not supported in XDOCK, so you can't click XDOCK 2 times and get it to quit. This is something they should probably fix. Let's try Exchange. XDOCKs. Exchange works. I can't see any way to quit XDOCK from Exchange, or it's not seem to be any way to quit it. Yeah, so when I got stuck like this, there is no way to quit the program. That's not a mistake. Okay, so I'm back at the desktop again, and let's see. Now I've enabled the debug. Let's try right-clicking now. Nothing has happened. Let's just try dragging something in it and see what's... Uh-oh, we got a crash. See this often when I start programs from XDOCK, that it often crashes. I don't know if it's because it's the wrong directory it starts in, or if it's stack problem, or like I had tried to start WooChat for not too long ago, Actually, a few minutes ago before I started recording, it's also crashed. So maybe programs are started with too little stack. Maybe it doesn't check the stack information in the icon files. This is maybe an issue that should be worked on. In general, XDOCK isn't a particularly good program. You can't quit it. The menus don't work. It doesn't say auto-save when you drag things in or ask you if you want to save. So yeah, those are the main concerns. I will try to okay, I can't restart my computer now. Bye bye, that was the bug report on XDOCK.